Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I went to Tuesday morning. I didn't get anything though. Um, just nothing, you know, nothing really whacked me. I was off my game. Some lady forgot her purse there, and I found it, and so I gave it to the managers, and waited to see if they could get a hold of the lady. Um, Luckily, they did, and she got her purse back, and everything was fine. But we were talking to the manager there and stuff because well, she's my friend. So I didn't really get anything. I was kind of off my game, but I did go to Dollar Tree and I got some things there. So I'm going to show you what they had at the Tuesday morning, and then we'll look at the Dollar Tree stuff. I'll be back. Hold on. Alrighty, let's take a look. So this is the end cap, guys. Look at this. Right. No, that was a good eye. Good eye. This one says home too. All right, so we got some Faber-Castell metallic art. These are India ink, $8.99, 271 1393. Brave and Bold from Amy Tangerine, $16.99, 266 3938. Lots of paint. Look at this. Acrylic paint pots. 96 colors. Right? A couple of those. Here is a airtight watercolor palette. And this is just the palette. This is the small one for $10.99. Number on this one, 2627491. 22 millimeter King Art acrylic paint set, 24 colors. Let's see if it's got. There's your color list. $21.99 on this one. Number is 2673129. We got watercolors. We got the watercolor pencils. Yes. All right, so let's go down the aisle. All right, so we got some sets in. $7.49. This one is Practically Perfect, which is the Mary Poppins set. And we've got Happy Birthday, and I'd Rather Be Crafting, Transatlantic Travel. That's a really nice set. Wizards and Witches, kind of their Harry Potter version, you know. And these are $7.49.
Good. How are you? Is everything all right? I'm at work. Well, we called all her contacts. Is everything okay? So maybe I called her husband and got it right.
Lots of washi tape. Lots of washi tape.
Yeah, lots. She will not.
We get some beautiful things from Bo Bunny. Reaching Out from Jen Hadfield. Look at that washi tape.
Well, somebody's going to call back this phone. Yeah. So we'll just put it in the office.
We got new dies and embossing pads back there. Oh, I almost feel like I need to get this one for the Ami. All right, so we have all kinds of ephemera sets. We've got a nice little card set here. Be Wild.
Be happy.
Be Happy. $6.49. Number on that is 2689826. We got bling. We got washi stickers here. Good Lord, more washi tape. They had a lot of washi tape, guys. We got some stencils back here. And we got some new dies. Kind of cute. Oh, look at that one. That one's really pretty. But I would not have the patience to piece that all together. Okay, so that's all that. Then we have, of course, we have all of our discount stuff. But look at this. There is a whole wall.
Look at the Mardi Gras mask.
Of Jolie. All kinds of Jolie. Okay, so that's pretty much everything we've got here, guys. I will catch you up at home if we pick anything up. All right?
Bye, ladies.
Alrighty, so what did we get? They have these now. These are dry erase calendars that you can, change every month. And I thought that was kind of cool, and I can put it up where I can see, what I've got coming up so that I always know, and I know where I can put stuff in, So I thought that was kind of cool. And I can also mark on here, what weekends in the month I got the grandbabies coming over and all that stuff. So I thought that was kind of cool. So grab that. I got my pad. And as some of you guys know, I use this for my desk cover. Usually the one that I get is a little smaller than this. And this says it's 18 by 12, but this is way more than 12 inches. Yeah, here, let me take this off of here. So, and it's usually white. This one's a little off-white, but that's okay. And what I'll do is I just put some tape across the corners here, and then that gives me paper, and then when I'm done with it, I can just take that sheet off and move on to the next one. So, that's what I do with those. And so at the Dollar Tree, I got some dry erase markers for my dry erase calendar. And I found some stuff. So they had this. It's a 4x6 photo frame. It's plastic. And it's like a big puzzle piece. And we're going to upcycle this a little bit. We're going to alter it. They had these cute little fabric gift bags, 3 pieces. I thought those were stinking adorable, so I had to grab some. You never know, I might do my Happy Mails for February in those. And they had some baker's twine, 3 rolls of, small rolls of baker's twine. I don't really need the red and white, but, the red and the pink's cool, so I got those. And they had this. This is heart ribbon lace. And it was just really cute, so I got it. Probably going to do some flowers out of this. So, we'll look at that. But that's it, guys. That was pretty much my Scaventure for the day. I only went to one Tuesday morning. Sorry, but I got a migraine, so I wasn't going to be out driving all over the place. But that's it. That's all I got for you today. This is 1.3 yards. It's about 47 inches of stuff. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I do go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And on Sundays, we play games. Right now, we're playing The Feud. It's a little bit risky, but there's prizes involved, so that's always cool. Let's see, what else? I post videos twice a week, typically on Mondays and Wednesdays, but it could be any days of the week, and it could be more than twice a week. It just depends. If you want to know what I've got going on, what's coming up, if I am offering any free classes, what are my video tutorials on, those types of things, go ahead and check out my community tab here on my YouTube channel, or go on over to my Facebook group. There's a link to that in the description box below, and that has a featured listing as well. I update both of them on the regular. It gives you all of the who, what, when, where, and why of my digital life. And that's it. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.